Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 5, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, etc. First question. Who has represented India at G20 Tourism Ministers meeting held in Italy? Answer. Prahalad Singh Patel. Union Minister of State and Tourism Culture Shri Prahalad Singh Patel participated in G20 Tourism Ministers meeting held in Italy on 4th May 2021. Second question. Which organization plans to set up 5 oxygen plants in Delhi and Haryana? Answer. DRDO. The Defense Research and Development Organization, through its industries, is setting up 5 medical oxygen plants within the first week of May in and around Delhi. Third question. When is World Cartoonist Day celebrated? Answer. May 5th. World Cartoonist Day is on 5th May. World Cartoonist Day honors all those creative ink stained artists, past and present, and the fascinating pieces they have created. Fourth question. Name the last personal secretary of Gandhiji who died recently. Answer. V. Kalyanam. V. Kalyanam was an Indian freedom fighter and was Mahatma Gandhi's personal secretary during the last few years of Gandhiji's life, 1943 to 48. He joined the freedom struggle during Quit India movement in 1942 and then worked with Gandhiji till Gandhi's assassination. Fifth question. When is World Asthma Day celebrated in 2021? Answer. May 4th. This year's theme is Uncovering Asthma Misconceptions, which aims at clearing misconceptions related to the complication of asthma. Sixth question. Which company has partnered with Yono SBI to help small holders, marginal and large holders farmers? Answer. Shivarai Technology. Shivarai Technology partnered with leading digital banking platform Yono SBI to help small holders, marginal and large holders family by way of free application. This will allow them to focus on their cost incurred as well as the bookkeeping of total profits that are in line. Seventh question. When is World Portuguese Language Day? Answer. May 5th. World Portuguese Language Day is celebrated on May 5 of every year. Eighth question. Which space agency is planning to launch 60 more Starlink satellites to space? Answer. SpaceX. SpaceX launches another 60 Starlink satellites into orbit and sticks rocket landing. Ninth question. Shangri-La Dialogue Asian Security Summit 2021 will be hosted by which country? Answer. Singapore. The news has put a cloud over the state efforts to launch a travel bubble with Hong Kong later this month and host major events like Shangri-La Dialogue in June. 10th question. Name the Indian shuttler who has been nominated as Athlete Ambassador for IOC. Answer. PV Sindhu. World Champion PV Sindhu has been nominated as Athlete Ambassador along Canada's Michael Lai for the International Olympics Committee Believe in Sports campaign aimed at preventing competition in manipulation. 11th question. Which cricket tournament is postponed due to COVID-19? Answer. IPL. The Board of Control of Cricket BCCI has identifiably postponed the Indian Premier League 2021 after several players and support staff tested positive for COVID-19. 12th question. Who has won World Snooker title 2021? Answer: Mark Selby. Mark Selby is now a four-time world champion after beating Sean Murphy in the 2021 World Snooker Championship final. 13th question. Name the Assam's first woman IAS officer who passed away recently. Answer: Parul Devi Das. Assam's first woman IAS officer Parul Devi Das passed away on Monday morning at Apollo Hospital in Guwahati. According to reports, Das succumbed due to COVID-19. 14th question. Which state police launches a Road Vigil app for finding those who roam in city unnecessarily during lockdown periods? Answer: Kerala. The city police have adopted a high-tech way to nab motorists roaming in the city unnecessarily during the lockdown period. 15th question. Which country buys 30 Rafale fighter aircraft from France? Answer: Egypt. Egypt's military has confirmed that it ordered 30 Rafale jets from French defense firm Dassault Aviation to shore up national security.